All right, I wanted to make this video about the registration numbers on my PWC. I bought mine on this website, SCS Unlimited. I get a lot of compliments and people asking me when I'm on the water where I got them. I think they're great quality. So once you get into the website, what we're going to do is we're going to go down to custom registration numbers, or number set. So we'll click on that. The thing I really like about this website is you can type your actual registration number in there. It's not like a generic ABC123. So we're gonna go ahead and type mine in. Okay. So like once you have that in there, you can play around with what it's gonna actually look like. It's not gonna just be a generic. So you pick one that you like. I can't remember which one I picked. Then once you have the one you like, you go ahead and pick your colors out. Now on mine, I picked like a gray for the inner colors, and then on the outer exterior color I picked like a lighter blue to kind of match with the color scheme of my jet ski. Once that's done, I'm going to keep scrolling down, and you can pick the size. Now you got to check with the regulations in your state, make sure you pick the proper size. I'm sure if you went bigger it wouldn't be a problem, but I think if you went too small you might have an issue. So you pick your size. Let's just go with the 15, and I did standard gloss, I believe. Now when I made mine a couple years ago, they didn't have all these options. There's a lot more options to choose from now. Then you just go ahead and add it to your cart. Now these numbers, they're really nice. They're not just plain vinyl. They actually have a little thickness to them. They're marine grade, cut really well. They stick. They're super sticky, so you want to be careful when you apply these to make sure that you have everything just right, lined up the way you want it, because once you stick them down, they're not coming off. So let's go take a look at them on my ski. I'll show you guys. Oh, one other thing. You can also pay $5 and they'll send you some type of proof print to show you what it looks like, because there are a lot of options on here now that weren't there before. Like if you go in here, you can get a premium matte, metallic Orion gold, metallic Apollo silver. I have no idea what any of that means. It's a extra upcharge. I'm sure it probably looks cool, but you can have them send you like a copy. There it is. See, email proof for approval, $10. So that's up to you. If you're a real stickler and you want to make sure it looks right, I would suggest probably paying that. I'm not sponsored by this site. I don't get paid by them. I just really like the quality of their product, and that's why I'm sharing this. Let's go take a look at my ski now. So this is what the registration number lettering is going to look like. So the interior of mine are kind of a gray. I don't know if you can really, it's hard to tell on the camera. It almost looks white. The exterior is blue. So I kind of try to match it up with the color scheme of the ski. There's some grays and blues on here. The width of the lettering is approximately 2 inches, and then the height on the lettering is about 3.5 inches. I can't remember, but I want to say there's an area on there for notes, and I had requested a certain size that I wanted it and spaced. So like I said, check your local laws to pick the right sizing. But like you could see on here, it's hard to see, but there's a thickness to this. It's just not your standard type of vinyl. Like this is quality grade vinyl. This hasn't faded at all. It still looks just like the day I got them. And like I said, these will stick really well. Like they've never peeled or anything. It hasn't faded at all. And I'm really happy with these. I get a lot of compliments on the water when I'm with other guys or girls, whatever. And they're always asking me where I got those. So that's why I'm just making this video. Another thing, if you guys are hanging out, this chair right here, this click chair is awesome. This thing folds up to like the size of a pop bottle. I might make a video on this too. There's other videos online, but you can check it out. It's called Click Chair, CLIQ. Thanks for watching, guys. If you got any questions, just hit me up.